Whoa! 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 That one did not go up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video I'm really excited about because I've really been looking forward to seeing these shells. They are Winda Fireworks Tank Busters. Winda has made some great shells that I've really liked. This is a 24 can kit with 42 breaks though. So it has 12 shells that are single break, 6 that are double break, and 6 triple break. Now, I don't like that we go up to 7 inches on the triple breaks. That's a lot of extra cardboard. I'm sure they could have done it in smaller. And they actually go up in size because we have the 5-inch single breaks, 6-inch single breaks, 6-inch double, and 7-inch triple. But this will give us a nice look as well of the difference between their 5-inch and their 6-inch single breaks. So I'm going to open these up. Let's get a look at what's in on this kit and get them fused up and ready to go. So all the shells are labeled clearly if they're the 5-inch single break, 6-inch single break, 6-inch double, and 7-inch triple, which those 7s look like beasts. So they all have a tube, of course, which looks pretty cool with the Winda Tank Buster logo on it. You've got the 3 tanks storming across the field. I was looking at the shells in the packaging, and you can see clearly the 5-inch single break. But then when I was looking up on the side here, it's up on the top, we do have the effect in English and in Chinese. So I am going to take pictures of all of these effects as I load them up, and they'll be in the order that they're going to be fired. So this one's purple and green palm with yellow lace pistol. This is the 5-inch single break. And I'm going to load the 5-inch single, the 6-inch single, the 6-inch double, and then the 6-inch triple. Like I said, I'll take pictures of the order I'm labeling them. I'll put the numbers on them so we'll know which ones are going where. And I'm going to put them in this new rack I just built, get them all fused up, and I will see you then. Alright, here we have the Winda Tank Busters all fused up. While taking pictures of the shells, it looks like all of the 6-inch single breaks also have whistling tails. So I am sure my neighbor across the street is going to love that. I can't wait. I went with the green safety fuse 24 to 28 seconds. I wanted this to go slow so we can see the double breaks, see the triple breaks, and just let them keep going. I think I got a pretty nice fuse job here that we should have a pretty steady pace. Of course, with fuse, you never know on the burn rate. But let's take these out back, light these up, and let's see how the 5-inch single break, 6-inch single break, 6-inch double, and 7-inch triple all compare to each other. While I tape this up and get it all fused up in the field, if you guys could give this a like, subscribe, it would be outstanding. It really does help the channel, and I have a lot more demos coming in the future. Wasn't going on.
Yeah, I mean it's at 20.
Oh, does it think it needs to come back already, or? Oh, that was nice. Whoa! That one did not go up. Holy moly, that's going low. Muzzle Break. Triple brakes. Oh, does the thing it needs to be already, or? Oh, that's nice. That one did not go up. Holy moly, that's going low. Double brake. Triple brakes. Wasn't that on?
Yeah, I mean it's at 20.
Oh, does the thing it needs to be back already, or? Oh, that's nice. Whoa! That one did not go up. Holy moly, that's going low. Double brake. purple brakes.